Hi. I was just thinking to myself and going on a little bit of a self chat rant, just talking to myself. And I decided to put it in a video because it's very important that we understand this. And this is what I want you to understand is that taking care of your health in your young and juicy youth is important and imperative if you want to maintain it for as long as possible and be looking youthful and juicy in those years where people really start to dry and wither up. And a lot of the time, and statistically, Americans wait to take care of their health because they just feel that they're young, right? They're young, they're juicy. They don't see it when they look in the mirror. They look good. They can eat whatever they want, and their body still looks relatively good. If they want to lose weight, they can lose weight more quickly, and they feel that they have time before they need to actually care about their health. But it's time to rethink what health is. Health is not something that you really just put off for later because you want to pour into yourself. That's like putting love off for later. Why would you put love off for later? You want the love now. Even if it feels like that love may take a little bit of work, even if it feels like that love may be taking away from other things in your life, it may seem like the love is difficult to achieve, but it's love. Love beats everything. Love trumps everything. And being healthy is the highest form of love. It's the highest form of self-love. Knowing that what you're eating, drinking, consuming, doing, feeling is all aligned and healthy and a part of who you want to be, who you want to become, that's what love feels like. And when you give that to yourself, you can give it to other people. So don't wait to be healthy. Make those decisions now. Even if it's small, it's going to be fine. Take that one step. Take one step to move forward with your health. You're sexy, you're beautiful, and you want to stay that way for a long time, right? You want to be happy. You don't want all these negative emotions, stressors, acid forming foods, mucus in the body to catch up with you when you're late 30s, early 40s. Some of y'all in your 20s are already seeing the effects of it. You're gaining weight. You want to go to the gym. You go to the gym every once in a while. It feels good. You see the change. Then you stop going to the gym and it's a cycle. No, babe. Keep that sexiness on. Use that as motivation to keep going. Use that as motivation to take a look at where you can start adding masculine structures in your life to make things easier for you. For example, a masculine structure you could create. I am not eating after 8 p.m. Boom. It hits 8 p.m. You about to put that fork in your mouth? Put it down. It's going to take, some self-awareness, but do it. Do it. You want to be beautiful for a long time, and you can. We don't think about years beyond now. A lot of us are in our worlds, but we need to take a peek into the future, see what's there based on the way you're going. If you like it, keep doing it. If you don't like it, if you're like, maybe all this McDonald's or all this fast food unhealthy dinners, all these lunches that I'm taking and eating just pizza every day, that might not be good for me in the long run. Maybe I should start meal prepping and taking a salad to work. Maybe I should start making a smoothie and taking that with me in the rising in the morning for work instead of getting a bagel and a latte or whatever it is for you. It's going to be different for everyone, but make sure that you're aligning and that you are taking care of your health now, because we see too many people get to a certain point and they go to the doctor and they got high blood pressure and diabetes and it's a shock, and they take the medicine and it seems to be helping, but they got to take it for the rest of their life. And it's just like, now you're afraid, they're afraid to work out because the medication, they don't know. It's just too much when you could be in your youth and taking care of yourself, and then get down the line and be like, oh yeah, I took years of care of myself. Like, I don't even have to worry about that. I don't have to worry about anything, any health related illness, because I saw me in the future the way that I wanted to be, and I just did what she did. I did what he did. So take care of yourself, because you're young and juicy and beautiful, and I want you to stay that way. Okay, I want that new wave of, like, the people who are young adults. I want, when we are the more grown adults, for it to be like, how are they looking so young still? I want that to be what defines us, because it can be, with all the new information that we have. There's no reason. I know the food tastes good. I know it tastes good. But the healthy food tastes good too. And it's good for you. Something to think about. Peace.